Good morning, friends. Today I am Ankur Mishra and presenting on a subject of corporate social responsibility and human value in ethics. And today my presentation topic is what are the unethical dimensions in the advertisement that we see. According to Leo Burnett, the famous advertising professional said, "Let us gear our advertising to sell goods, but let's recognize also that advertising has a broad social responsibility." So there are two dimensions. First is ethical dimensions and second is unethical dimensions in the advertisement. So first we discuss what are some ethical dimensions. In ethical dimensions, here the company can provide the truth information about the product and respected to the customers. Here they do not have any hidden agendas and they provide the correct information. They not mislead to the customers. But in the case of unethical dimensions, here they can lie about their product features and benefits. Basically, they do not provide the correct information about their product and lose his reputation quickly by engaging in the practices. In addition, they also mislead the customers about their business history on longevity in the unethical advertisement practices. Second, ethical advertising harmful product also considered unethical. Means when there is an advertisement of like cigarette, so they can harmful product. It given the high incidence of lung cancers and other smoking related illness among the smokers. Many people would consider advertising for cigarette as an unethical business practices. So advertising considered unethical. There are various reasons which we earlier discussed. Basically, in first, it gives false information. When there's any company provide the false information regarding their product, it is also considered unethical advertising. It degrades the reliable product or substitute product. It is against the nation and public interest. When they provide some misinformation regarding product, it is also against the nation and the public interest. It gives misguiding information. It concerns information that vital affect human life. Basically, some advertisement also affect our human life. So there are some different forms of unethical advertising, like alcohol advertising. In alcohol advertising is banned on broadcast and print media in India, but we can find manufacturers of alcohol advertising for soda in an effort to keep brand name afresh in the mind of the consumers. And second, like tobacco advertising. Tobacco advertising is considered as unethical advertising. Like cigarette advertising should carry a statutory warning that smoking is injurious to health in order to highlight the risk involved. But they can represent the product in such a way that the customer can use the cigarette and smoke. Second is unverified claiming. Unverified claiming, the language used in such advertising will be quite ambitious. For example, if a company advertising that its product offer instant high energy drink for children, but the question arises, what do we mean by instant high energy drink and what is parameters, and also if there is no significant verification of the energy it possesses. Such advertising are included under unverified claims. For example, like advertising council say there are many brands have the most misleading ads in India. According to ASCI, Apple India was found using a wrong image in its advertising for iPhone 7. The advertising text state the amazing iPhone 7 is here, but show an image of iPhone 7 Plus variant, which is misleading by ambitious and its implications. So, thank you very much for watching.